Those who want to buy the new GMC Hummer EV will have to be patient, as the Wall Street Journal reports, due to a lack of components and difficulties with logistics, GM is currently producing only 12 electric pickups per day. Taking into account the fact that the waiting list for the delivery of the car has already reached 77,000 people, the queue for the car is thus 17 years. The Hummer EV began production in December 2021 at GM Factory Zero in Detroit, and in terms of assembly pace, GMC is behind both Ford with its F-150 Lightning and Rivian with the R1T and R1S. According to Ford representatives, the site in Dearborn, Michigan produces about 150 electric pickups every day. However, GMC notes that production of the Hummer EV is not behind schedule. However, the current volume of assembly was achieved later than expected, partly because the car was built from scratch on a new platform, the implementation of which required constant quality control. In the second half of 2022, the release will speed up, promise representatives of the concern. GMC will then begin using its own battery packs from a new Ohio plant built in partnership with LG Energy Solutions, and will become less dependent on third-party supplies. As a reminder, the GMC Hummer EV debuted in the fall of 2020. In the top version, it is equipped with a 3-motor power plant with a capacity of 1,014 horsepower. The Ultium battery provides a range of 350 miles. The cost of an electric Hummer, depending on the version, varies from $85,000 to $110,000.